Golf divot tools are an essential accessory for any golfer looking to maintain the integrity of the green. There are many products available to choose golf divot tools, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best golf divot tools from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Callaway 4-in-1 Golf Divot Repair Tool. The Callaway 4-in-1 Golf Divot Repair Tool is a perfect gift for any golfer. This sturdy zinc alloy tool not only helps you to fix a green divot, but also comes with a built-in nylon bristle brush and metal groove cleaner to keep your clubs clean. Its compact and ergonomic design makes it easy to use. The tool also features a magnetic ball marker with the Callaway logo to help mark your ball quickly. Number 2. Greenhaven 2-6-Pack Golf Divot Repair Tool. The Greenhaven Divot Tool offers a convenient foldable design that allows you to easily release the fork with a simple button press, ensuring your pockets remain scratch-free. Its strong metal fork is perfect for quickly repairing greens, keeping your hands clean and dry due to its ideal length. The magnetic ball marker is a handy feature that helps you effortlessly mark your putts, enhancing your game. Additionally, the tool includes a useful club holder, allowing you to keep your club off wet grass while you take a break, giving you more freedom during your game. Number 3. Blue Tees Golf 6-in-1 Premium Divot Tool. The Blue Tees Golf 6-in-1 Divot Repair Tool is designed to be the ultimate tool for the green. It can fix any divot, open bottles, hold your Blue Tees ball marker, clean your grooves, keep your grips dry, or even use for putting drills. It also features a super strong magnet with a Blue Tees ball marker, an ergonomic design that is small and lightweight, and sturdy metal grooves to keep your clubs clean and remove the toughest mud or grass. Number 4. Skylity 4 PCS Golf Divot Repair Tool. This golf divot repair tool is a multifunctional accessory designed to help you maintain your golf course. Made of durable stainless steel and aluminum alloy, it features a foldable design with a pop-up button that ensures safety while carrying around. The magnetic ball marker helps you mark your place, while the U-shaped bottom can hold your golf club. Measuring a suitable size of 2.76 by 1.18 by 0.59 inches fold and 4.72 by 1.18 by 0.59 inches unfold, it comes in a set of 4 with stylish colors of red, black, silver, and gray, making it a perfect gift for golf enthusiasts. Number 5. Craftsman Golf Shark Cool 4-in-1 Golf Divot Repair Tool. The Craftsman Golf 4-in-1 tool is designed for the modern golfer. Its ergonomic shape ensures comfortable use, making it easy for you to repair divots on the course. The magnetic ball marker adds convenience, allowing you to mark your ball effortlessly while maintaining a stylish look with its star design. Plus, the U-shaped holder keeps your golf club secure, making it a breeze to switch clubs. With a built-in beer bottle opener, this tool is perfect for enjoying a cold drink after a round. Compact and durable, it fits neatly in your pocket for easy access.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.